deep silence of late night, people look up into the infinite sky with one ultimate question. Are we alone in this universe? To find this answer, humanity has launched missions like Kepler, TESS, Gaia or SETI, which have discovered thousands of planets. Yet most of Earth's citizens are only left to wonder. The data exists, but it remains locked away in complex archives analyzed by a handful of scientists. But what if you didn't have to just wonder? What if you could have the same tools that scientists use right from your laptop? Here we are the team Space Avengers, a group of astronomy lovers on a mission to bringing the power of the next Earth discovery down to every citizen by our own application Tesseract. Missions like TESS, Kepler and Gaia are giving us terabytes of data daily. Space Telescope tracks thousands of stars, record fluctuation in brightness, measure positions and capture the signals. Astronomers have identified around 5,500 exoplanets with only around 70 potentially habitable planets. Most of those data remain underexplored because manual analysis is slow and detecting faint signal or noise is difficult even for the experts. But this greatest question of humankind cannot be concluded only by manually evaluating telescope data without any automation and our collective intelligence. But hey, wait a minute. Before joining our Avengers, do you know what the exoplanets really are? How scientists find them? Or which features make them habitable for the potential life? This is where the Tesseract begins. With Tesseract, our goal is to assemble our next Avengers to discover our potential world. Our app can analyze the exoplanets with machine learning model from the NASA datasets, including TESS, the NASA Exoplanetary Archive, etc., which can help you to learn about the exoplanets, their habitability factor, and their features in a 3D environment with just one click on your keyboard. How about chatting with those exoplanets and making your new exoplanet friends? And how about designing your own planets? You can compare your prediction with our machine learning model, see their habitability score, and even study their behavior in different environments. The data is here and the question is waiting. With Tesseract, the universe isn't just something you look at, it is something you explore. So, are you ready to find our next Earth? Let's think about the history of discovery. Centuries ago, only a few sailors with ships could explore the ocean, while the rest of humanity could only imagine what lay beyond the horizon. Then the maps were published, books were written, and suddenly the world opened up for everyone. Today, those telescopes are our ship, the datasets are our ocean, and only a small group of scientists are sailing them. But with Tesseract, we hand every person on Earth their own ship of discovery. Imagine a day not far from now when a student in Dhaka using our platform identifies a deep in starlight that everyone else missed. A day when a retired professor in Sylhet analyzes atmospheric data and helps to classify a water world. This is just the beginning. Someday, we might truly find our new home and we might live there with our family or go on a vacation with our beloved one to a new exoplanet. Soon the platform will evolve too, which will let you put on a VR headset and stand on the surface of a brand new world. Let's go beyond the blue, explore the next world.